Everyone, in this video we are going to study the practice set 5.1 from linear equations in two variables. Question number 3, which is solve the following sets of simultaneous equations. Let's start the examples. First example, x plus y is equal to 4, 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. We have to solve these equations, means we have to find out the value of x and y. So, to solve it, we will use the method of elimination of variables by equalizing the coefficients. So, here we will consider x plus y is equal to 4. This is first equation. Next, this one 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. This is my second equation. Now we will equalize the coefficient and then we will eliminate it. So here if you observe plus y and minus 5y. So I will make the coefficients equal of the variable y. To make them equal, I have to multiply this equation 1 by 5. So equation 1 I am going to multiply by 5. When you multiply any equation by the other term, so you have to multiply each term of this equation. So I will multiply here, so I will get 5x. Y multiplied by 5, that is 5y, is equal to 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. So this is my third equation. Now I have got in equation number 2 and 3 the variable y, its coefficients are equal. So I'll add equation 2 plus 3. What is equation 2? 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. What is equation 3? 5x plus 5y is equal to 20. If you add these two equations, minus 5y plus 5y, it will cancel, it will become 0. 2x plus 5x, we will get the answer 7x plus 0 is equal to, their addition would be 21. It means 7x is equal to 21. 7 transfer it on that side, so x is equal to 21 upon 7. So here we will get the answer 3. Means x value is 3. X is equal to 3. We have got it. Now we will put this x is equal to 3 in any of this equation and then we will find out the answer or value of the next variable, that is y variable. So here there are the three equations. So I think first equation is easy. So here I will put the value of x in the first equation. So put x is equal to 3 in equation 1. What is equation 1? X plus y is equal to 4. X plus y is equal to 4. X is equal to 3. I have got it. I will replace this. Plus y is equal to 4. So y value 3 transfer it on that side. 4 minus 3. So y is equal to 1. Therefore, we have got the solution is equal to x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. Now we will see the next example. Second example, solution. First I'll assign the equation numbers. So 2x plus y is equal to 5. Equation number 1. 3x minus y is equal to 5. Equation 2. Plus y and minus y, they have the same coefficient. So I'll add equation 1 plus equation 2. When I will add these two equations, then plus y will be cancelled with minus y. So here 2x plus y is equal to 5. 3x minus y is equal to 5. So when you add these two, the sign will remain as it is, and because of that, y plus y minus y will be cancelled with each other, and the value will be 0 below. 2x plus 3x, 5x plus 0 is equal to 10. That means 5x is equal to 10, and if you transfer 5 on that side, so x is equal to 10 upon 5, so x is equal to 2. Same thing, we will put this x is equal to 2 in one of the equation. So put x is equal to 2 in, I will put in first equation, in equation 1. So here I will get 2x plus y is equal to 5. X value is nothing but 2. So 2 into 2 plus y is equal to 5. 2 into 2, 4 plus y is equal to 5. So what I will get the answer, y is equal to 5 minus 4, and then y's value will be 1. So therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 are the solutions. Third example, 3x minus 5y is equal to 16 and x minus 3y is equal to 8. First we will assign the equation numbers. So 3x minus 5y is equal to 16. This is first equation. X minus 3y is equal to 8. This is second equation. Now in this we will compare these two. So I think 3x and here x. So I will try to equalize the coefficient of x. In the previous example, I have equalized the coefficients of y. But here I will equalize the coefficient of x. So to equalize it, this equation I have to multiply by 3. Then and then only here I will get 3x. So equation 2 I will multiply by 3. So if you will multiply, then you will get 3x. Here 9 1 is equal to 8 3s are 24, and this is my third equation. Now I can easily cancel the 3x with 3x, but they have the same sign. If I add these two equations, then 3x plus 3x I will get 6x. I cannot cancel them. So here I will subtract these two equations. If I subtract it, then the sign of these variables or sign of these equations will change, and this 3x will become a minus 3x. So equation 1 minus equation 3. So the first equation I will write as it is. Second equation I will write below this. Here I have to subtract them. So because of this subtraction, the sign of every term will change. Here it is plus, it will change into minus. Minus will change into plus. Here there is a plus, so it will change into minus. 3x minus 3x, it will cancel, you will get 0. Minus 5 plus 9, answer would be 4y. Here 16 minus 24. So answer would be negative 8 plus 4. Here 4, it's in multiplication. You transfer it here, so it will go in division. So 4y is equal to minus 8. It means y is equal to minus 8 divided by 4. If you divide it, we will get the answer minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2. We will put, we have got the y's value is equal to minus 2. Put y is equal to minus 2, I will put in the second equation. In equation 2. So what is equation 2? X minus 3y is equal to 8. Y's value is nothing but minus 2. So x minus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 8. Product of these two. So x is equal to, minus multiplied by minus, it will be plus 6. 3 2s are 6 is equal to 8. 6 transfer it on that side. So x is equal to 8 minus 6. So x is equal to 2. So we got the solution. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 2. So solution is x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 2. Fourth example. In this example, we'll assign the equations first. So 2y minus x is equal to 0. First equation, 10x plus 15y is equal to 105, and this is my second equation. Here we will make the coefficients of x equal, but these are not in proper order. So first we will arrange it in proper order. So minus x plus 2y is equal to 0. So I will make one correction. Instead of assigning this, I will assign this equation as a first equation. Now I will equalize the coefficients of this. So here I should multiply the equation by 10. So equation 1 multiplied by 10. So here I will get minus 10x plus 10 2s are 20y is equal to 10 zeros are 0. And this is my third equation. Now I will add the equation number 3 and 2. So equation 2 plus equation 3. So equation 2 is 10x plus 15y is equal to 105. Equation number 3 is minus 10x plus 20y is equal to 0. And here I am going to add it. Plus 10x minus 10x, it will be cancelled, it will become 0. Plus 15y, 20y plus 20y, so it is plus 35y is equal to 105. So 35y is equal to 105. 35 transfer it on that side, so y is equal to 105 upon 35. And if you divide it, we'll get the answer is 3. Y is equal to 3. Put y is equal to 3 in one of the equation. So put y is equal to 3. I will put in equation 1. In equation 1. So here I will get it. What is equation 1? Minus x plus 2y is equal to 0. Y put the value minus x plus 2 into y value is 3 is equal to 0. Minus x plus 6 is equal to 0. X transferred on that side, so 6 is equal to x. Therefore, x value is 6 and y value is 3. So therefore, solution x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. In this fifth example, first equation is not in the standard form. So first we will convert that equation in the standard form. So to convert this into standard form, this constant term will take it on the right hand side. So solution, this equation can be written as 2x plus 3y is equal to 4 will go here, it will become minus 4. Now I will assign it as equation number 1. So x minus 5y is equal to 11 and this is equation 2. Here I will equalize the coefficient of x. So to equalize it, I will multiply equation 2 by 2. So 2x minus 10y, 2 11s are 22, and this is equation number 2. We have equalized the coefficient of x, but in these equations, coefficients of x are same and they have the same sign. So instead of adding these two equations, we will subtract these two equations. So equation 1 minus equation 3. So here I will get it 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 4. 2x minus 10y is equal to 22. Now I am going to subtract these two equations. So if I subtract these equations, then their signs will change. Now 2x minus 2x, it will cancel, it will become 0. Plus 3 plus 10, it would be 13y is equal to minus 4 minus 22, it is minus 26. So 13y is equal to minus 26. 13 transfer it on that side. So y is equal to minus 26 upon 13. So I will get the answer minus 2. If you divide it 26 by 13, you will get the answer 2, and because of negative sign, it will be minus 2. So put y is equal to minus 2 in the first equation. In equation 1, so equation 1 is 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 4. Put this in equation 1. So 2x as it is plus 3 into, this will become minus 2 is equal to minus 4. So 2x minus 3 to the 6 is equal to minus 4. Minus 6 transfer it on this side. So 2x is equal to minus 4 plus 6, which gives you the value minus 4 plus 6, it is nothing but 2. So x is equal to 2 upon 2, that is x is equal to 1. So in this way we get the solution. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2. Minus 7y is equal to 7. 3x plus y is equal to 22. We will assign the equation numbers. So solution 2x minus 7y is equal to 7, equation number 1. 3x plus y is equal to 22, equation number 2. Here we will equalize the coefficient of y. So multiply this equation by 7, because here minus 7. So multiply. Instead of this, alright, equation 2, we will multiply by 7. So we will get 7 3s are 21x. Multiply here also, it is 7y. We will multiply there. So it is 7 2s are 14 and here 154, and this is equation number 3. We will add these two equations. So equation 1 plus equation 3. So we will get 2x minus 7y is equal to 7. Now equation 3, 21x plus 7y is equal to 154. Here we have to add it. 2x plus 21x, it will become 23x. 7y minus 7y, it will cancel, it will become 0. And the addition, it is 161. So 23x is equal to 161. So x is equal to 23, transfer it on that side. So 161 divided by 23. If you divide it, we will get the answer 23 sevens are 161. Now here we got the answer of x is equal to 7. Put x is equal to 7. We will put it in equation 2. It is easy example. In equation 2, we will get 3x plus y is equal to 22. This is equation number 2. Here if I put the value of x is equal to 7, so 3 into 7 plus y is equal to 22. 3 sevens are 21 plus y is equal to 22. 21, transfer it on that side. So y is equal to 22 minus 21. And if you will subtract it, we will get the answer 1. Means we have got the solution x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 1. So in this way we have solved the examples of the simultaneous equations and we have found their solutions. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share your comments in the comment box. Thank you.